I spoke on this a while ago, but people didn't really hop on it as I would have expected. But this is just me telling you that MAXEARN is a legit platform and it has been paying since the day of its launch, which was on the 20th. Here is the proof of payment of somebody. This is an alert 7,000 the person received from MAXEARN to their UBA bank. Another person received into UBA as well 97,000 naira. Crazy, right? And then all of this is the balance of other people who have been making money on MAXEARN, and you can make this money as well. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this, and I'm going to show you proof of my own withdrawal in this same video. Just know that if you're in this 2023 and you're not making money with your smartphone on the internet, then I really don't know what you're doing. You should be able to use your smartphone to make money online, and that's exactly what MAXEARN is here to do. So let's get straight into it. So before we proceed, MAXEARN is not MLM or Ponzi. No robbing Mr. 8P, Mr. P. It's not a scam. You don't necessarily have to refer anybody to bring one person to bring no. You don't need a shop or office. There are no monthly fees. It's not a ROI. It does not require huge startup capital. But before we proceed, it does require a registration fee of 3,500 naira. After that registration fee, and you pay the registration fee and you get registered before you can proceed and start making money on MAXEARN. And that's just how it works. Now the $1 billion question is, how do I make money? Right? But before that, MAXEARN is an affiliate platform that provides very profitable and stable investment opportunities to its active and potential investors with up to 250% return. Now, how do we make money on MAXEARN? This is the earning structure for MAXEARN. As I said earlier, registration fee of 3,500 with a welcome bonus immediately after you sign up of 1,800, a referral bonus of 2,500, and then a daily survey bonus of 150, and then there's an indirect referral bonus of 200. So if you refer somebody and the person refers somebody else, that's 200, and then sponsors post tax of 350 naira. So this is how it works. Remember, the welcome bonus is attached to, as soon as you register, they'll give you the welcome bonus. So I'm saying, so the structure, the earning is, you get a whooping sum of 1,800 naira after your registration to your dashboard. If you visit the website daily, MAXEARN grants you 150, and if you share sponsor tax, they give you 350. You get 2,500 per user you invite, and you get another 200 per user that your downline brings, basically. Now I spoke more on why you should choose MAXEARN. There's do so many things. Learn how to print and distribute recharge cards, learn advanced skills and get certified, transfer part of your earnings activities to another user account, blah blah blah. All of this is a previous video. You can always go and watch that, or if you have any questions, remember, you can always send me a DM in the description. If you want to register as well, shoot me a DM and I'll get registered as soon as possible. Now just look at my MAXEARN dashboard. Now here you see my dashboard, 7,100, and if you check my affiliate balance, you see 5,000, and I just referred only 2 people. Imagine, so 2,525 for each referral, that is 5,000 naira, and I'm going to be placing a withdrawal so that you guys can see that they're actually paying. So I'll place the withdrawal now. As you can see, I'm placing it, and when he arrives, I'll put the alert on the screen. So here it is. It has arrived. It's on screen right now, and really, it's just to prove that Max paying. I mean, so send me a DM. Let me get registered, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.